So I have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and let me show you how to set this camera to automatically record at a set time. Okay, so we're going to use a feature called timer shooting. So if you scroll down on the main page to the main menu and tap on settings, and then scroll down through that settings menu, you should see the option called timer shooting. Okay, so there it is. Tap on it, and then the first thing you want to do is enable timer shooting. Now you need to set the mode. So do you want it to shoot time lapse or a normal video or a SuperNight video, whatever it is you want. So I'm just going to leave it on video mode, and then go back, and then I want to set a time. So it's going to be a specific time that I want this camera to shoot a video. So let's say I want it to shoot at 7:02 a.m. So I'm just gonna quickly set to 7:02. Come on, man. Like that, a.m. Tap on the check mark, and then what do I want it to shoot? I want it to shoot a video at 7:02 a.m. I want it to shoot a 1-minute video. Do I want it to repeat? Now this basically depends on whether you want it to repeat over and over again. So if you set it for a specific time, you can have it do it 5 times. So for the next 5 days at 7:02 in the morning, it's going to record a 1-minute video. If you want it 30 times, or just select every day if you want to. Now for me, it's just one time, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And I have already set my timer shooting. So let's wait for 7:02 and see what happens. So you can see it already shows me at 7:02 a.m. that's going to happen. So let's see. On my watch, it's currently 7:01. Just waiting. There you go. So it's almost 7:02. There you go. At exactly 7:02, the camera automatically starts recording a video, and it's going to record that 1-minute video. So that is basically how to make your camera automatically record videos at a specific time. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.